Hello friends, today I am going to talk about SEO. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, as you all know. And SEO makes your website easier for users and search engines to navigate because it rearranges your kind links and your site's architecture, making it easier to find. The main aim of search engine optimization is to get more traffic from diverse sources and to get repetitive visitors. SEO plays a crucial role in online business websites as well as other interactive sites. With regular updates of content on website, SEO helps to get more traffic. And for doing SEO on your website, you can take initiative, use lots of tools, and make your site powerful and searchable everywhere on the search engine. Lots of companies nowadays spending lots of monies on SEO and giving contracts to few of the companies and taking benefits and luring benefits from that. And today I am going to show you the website which you can show in the screen, technicalseo.com. Before few days I came across this website and I found it very useful. The main benefit of this website is it gives free tools for search engine optimization. So there are lots of free tools available in the market, but the kind of benefit of this website is it gives all of the tools on a single page and you can utilize it for your benefit, and it's very free. It also includes several blog articles, podcasts and presentations, so you can go through it, learn it and implement on your website or on your business. So today I am going to talk about SEO tools which this site provides. The site name is technicalseo.com, and if I click on SEO tools, it will redirect to the tools section. It calls Merkle SEO tools. As you can see on the screen, there are tools available for robot.txt tester. Also, you can generate sitemap for your website. You just need to download the template which is given by this tool. So you just need to download the CSV template here. Put your URLs of your website into the CSV file. Upload it here and create sitemap. It will give you the XML result. It's quite simple. Similarly, they have provided fetch and render tool. It will fetch and render the web pages as any bot. Get the source code or screenshot, HTML snapshot, whatever you want. Also, they provide pre-rendering testing tools. So it also gives the HTML snapshot, pre-rendering, dynamic rendering regardless the name and specifics of the implementation. Use this tool to check what is served to different user agents, so you can check your website pages and URLs on different web browsers. Also, it gives mobile tools like mobile first index tool, bulk AMP validator and mobile friendly test, which will check responsiveness of your website. So you just need to select the URLs which you want to check for mobile friendliness and select your user agent. You can check up to 50 URLs at the same time. Also, it gives some international SEO tools like href language text tester as well as local adaptive tester. It will check your website page is supported for the multi-language or not. All these components will check the page is different based on the language or country. Also nowadays schema generator gives the lots of advantage to your website. You just need to create a schema and JSON-LD markup code uh, using this tool, and you can put that in your website, which can help your pages to find out on a search engines very frequently. So the schema generator tools gives all of the required item properties and other facilities which you can implement for your website SEO. Also SERP simulator is given here, and local search tool is also given here, so you can check how your web page is performing from particular location or postcode areas, and how the search result gives you the response. So these are the 12 tools this website is offering, and it's quite helpful. So most of the developers and companies which are working on SEO implementation are using these kind of tools. So if you are not hiring any SEO person, or you want to do it directly by your own, then you can utilize these tools. They are free, they are very helpful, and hopefully you like this. So that's it. Today I am going to about Today I am going to talk about only SEO tools which are free from this website. On the next time, I will show you few of the presentations and important articles for SEO. Till then, stay tuned, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.